Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something really different, really fun, and something that I have not yet seen on YouTube, which is really exciting. Now, the whole concept is on YouTube, but this type of adaptation of that concept I have not seen. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this, because basically where I got the idea is that all these YouTubers were doing that I tried to follow Blank's makeup tutorial or whatever, but then I was thinking, how could I do that in a way that would fit my channel? So I decided to do that I followed Blank's DIY tutorial, if that makes any sense. So before, sorry, there's like a hair on my eye and I can like feel it. Okay, so before I start, I just want to say welcome to any new viewers. My name is James. I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and I am trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so hit that subscribe button. It'll be really appreciated, so thank you. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is going to be just watching the tutorial first, and then I'm going to try to attempt it, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I should probably tell you the DIY person that I'm going to be following the tutorial. It's basically, the channel's name is Mr.Kate, and I've been watching Mr.Kate for like, I'd say well over a year now. I actually love her videos. I've watched 90% of them, I'd say, and I just love them. I watch every video she puts out. So when I was going to do this, I knew I wanted to be someone who I really admired and appreciated and just loved their kind of style and work. So that's why I picked Mr.Kate, because she's like my number one when it comes to like DIYs and stuff. So yeah, I'm just and the DIY I'm going to be following along to is the DIY spoon painting easy home decorating with Mr.Kate, and I'll have that video linked in the description if you want to go check it out yourselves. I'll also have it like up on the screen beside me whilst I'm doing the DIY, so I'm just gonna watch it.
Knock knock. I'm Mr.Kate.
Let's get in.
Beige land. I see this a lot. It's basically beige on brown. You get this big wall here. It needs some artwork, so I'm going to do a custom art piece with no painting skills required, and we're going to bring in color and texture.
Good.
So let's get painting with my spoon. So this art is really cool because it's so approachable for everyone, because it's striped. You could do diagonal lines. You could get crazy. So you need paint. I'm using acrylic paint because I find it to be the easiest and quick drying. And make sure to pick a color palette that fits in with your room, but also brings in some other colors, because that's the whole point. You don't need a paintbrush. You need a spoon, some water, some paper towels. I'm going to use a heavy-duty canvas, a 36" by 36.
I'm going to be using a way smaller canvas than that.
Make sure you plan the order that you want the paint. So I'm going to start with this dark blue, and all I'm doing is using the actual tube of paint to apply the paint to the canvas. Now with such a big canvas, I'm using big tubes of paint because I need a lot of paint. I'm going to create the artistic texture with my spoon. So as you can see, I'm just using the back of the spoon to kind of create this rippling, almost snakeskin-like texture. Make sure you concentrate also on the edges of your canvas. These are going to be seen from the side when you hang your art on the wall. Okay, now I'm going to clean off my spoon with a piece of paper towel and move on to my next color.
Okay, so basically just do that first step over and over again. Okay, I get it, yeah, that's easy enough. And yeah, so let's get into me attempting to do it, so.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in me. disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe, hey, still awake. And in the morning when I see your face, need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't.
Okay guys, so there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed. I think it looks pretty good, you know. I mean, it's different, it's unique, you don't see that style of art often, and yeah, it makes you think, it really makes you think about it. So, and there's something so rewarding about doing it yourself as well. It just makes it like, yeah, I did that, I did that. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you thought. Did you really do a good job? Do you think I sucked? Do you think I should try someone else's DIYs? Let me know if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I